with your body. Oh, Santa, so high. You turn me on. Baby, I get mine. You make me. Make me wanna die with you. Woo!
Third Basal Express, KMD, 3 blind mics on site. Sev Lover gave it the first light. The grin shows a trick up his sleeve. What a tangled web they weave. Deceive is super fine food fable. Say let's make a deal at the dinner table. Put your arms on,
yeah, round two.
On wax. Trust me. Sign your life on the X. You exit X over what you really get a bunch of Newports and Puma sweats. Text beats and frowns upon demons to give up gas space and drinks from a thermos. Self-block could at you with a clipper. Gas face giving, I beg to differ.
Pete, that was real tough, man, but I gotta get serious now. Hey, yo, Don, step to him again.
Everybody, MC Search.
Black cat is bad luck. Bad guys wear black. Must have been a white guy that started all that. Make the gas face. But those little white lies. My expression to the mountain is blue eyes, dip on my face, and shake my skull cap. Dismiss the myth that evil is not black, but opposite spectrum. This done by red man with horns on his head. Laid down the ill plan, got all his helpers. Said, make us happy. Tell all the people that their hair can't be nappy. Blind and blue-eyed, a dark-skinned hypergy, a disease created by leprosy. Don't speak of bleach, bend them to right. Say it was night, way before the light. Put aside spooks, search leaves and trays of setup correct with the effect of the gas. But
round 3. Dizzy K, Kid Drill on the floor.
Just in case you do not know who I'm listening to, it's DJ Babu from that world famous crew called the what? Beat Junkies. Taking over. Ow. Taking over. Be prepared, suckers.
Oh! LTC, round 3.
Stones, they might break your bones, but the 9mm it will bore your dome. I'm talking about the toe tagging, the body bagging, man, the dying, mamas are crying, casket buying, who me dying, leave my family crying. Hell no, I cause my blood bath and showers, send me commissary, mother, the flowers, thoughts of slaughter, I believe in my daughters, hours and hours of fears running through my mind as I pick up the signal. Beat starts with the shove, then ends with the shuffle, and standing on your corner reminiscing of you, but your ass is out and you're dead and gone. So who'd you rather be, the murdered or the murderer? Got me stressed, I got my tech in my vest, then I sing, who job bless, let no man curse. But one of us will be here tonight in a hearse, but we'll be tried by 12. Last round. Crying, mamas and cousins and crying babies, due to the fact that death is a box. Ashes to ashes and dust.
LTC, last round of the battle.
It's getting bust for bring God with trust. So if you're coming to my town and try to slow the dough down, you must be casket bound, cause I'd rather be tried by 12 than carried by 6. I saw my name in the book at your funeral. The 6 on my hip with that extra clip, cause I'd rather be tried by 12 than carried by 6. 90, Saturday night and we like to party. But folks are around so we might catch a body. Early Sunday morning don't really wanna hurt nobody. See what they trying to get?
Yeah, that's it, y'all. That was a fiery battle. Okay now, judges, are you ready?